Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to check your PayPal account balance. First, navigate to the official PayPal website. You'll see the login fields prominently displayed. Carefully enter your registered email address or mobile number into the first field. Then, proceed to input your confidential password into the second field. Double-check your credentials for accuracy before moving on to the next step. This ensures a secure and smooth access to your account information. Once you've successfully logged in, you'll land on your PayPal dashboard, often called the summary page. Your current balance is typically displayed front and center, usually in a prominent box or section. It will clearly show the amount and the primary currency, such as US dollars or euros. Below this, you can often find a quick overview of your most recent transactions, giving you a snapshot of your account activity. This page is your central hub for managing your funds. For a more detailed look, you might need to click on the Wallet or Money tab, usually found in the top navigation bar. Here, you can see a complete breakdown of all your balances, especially if you hold funds in multiple currencies. This section also clarifies any pending transactions or funds that might be on hold, giving you a precise understanding of your available balance. It's crucial to differentiate between your total balance and your immediately available funds. Checking your balance on the go is incredibly convenient with the PayPal mobile app. First, download the official app from your device's app store. Once installed, simply log in using your existing PayPal email and password. Your current balance will be prominently displayed on the app's home screen immediately after logging in. The app also allows you to quickly view your transaction history and manage your funds from virtually anywhere, offering full control at your fingertips.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.